Americans go through 25 billion
plastic bottles every year.
Recycling 1 ton of plastic saves 7.4 cubic yards of landfill space.
Letting your faucet run for 5 minutes uses this much energy.
It's letting a 60-watt light bulb
run for 14 hours.
If all U.S. households install
water-efficient appliances, the country would save more than 3 trillion gallons of water
and more than $18 billion per year.
Worldwide, 2.7 million tons
of plastic are used to bottle water each year.
Electricity production is the leading cause of industrial air pollution in the United States.
A modern glass bottle would take about 4,000 years or more to decompose.
And even longer if it's in the landfill.
Recycling 1 aluminum can saves enough energy to run a TV for 3 hours.
Or is the equivalent of a half a gallon of gas.
Americans use 2,500,000 plastic bottles
every hour. Most of them are thrown away.
The rainforests are being cut down at 100
acres per minute.
We all need to actively take responsibility for our world. Be part of the solution and not the problem if you want to have a sustainable future. Humans are the only species that create waste. The choice is yours. You can contribute to make our world a place we can live in or live in Wally World. Prevent products from going into the landfills and turn the used products into something renewable and reusable. When we throw plastic water bottles away, they never decompose. I am going to show you how to reuse and recycle plastic water bottles and make them into a renewable and reusable product. The owner of Kunguli Fleece Company has agreed to showcase his company. One of his products is called Bottle Fleece, and it is made from 85% post-consumer recycled fibers obtained from plastic water bottles and post-industrial waste. The recycled yarn goes through a huge knitting machine. Hundreds of tiny needles grabs and stitch yarn together to create tubes of material. This machine generates 3 feet of polyester every 2 minutes. The big metal brackets flatten the tube of material so it can come out into a long spool of material. It then goes through the laundry compartment where it washes and dries the material. It then dyes the fabric under pressure, and it adds water-repellent chemicals to the fabric. After another washing and drying process, the polyester goes through the holding bin. The circular cutter cuts the material into a sheet. The sheet of fabric is thin and not fleecy at all at this point. Cylindrical wire brushes will transform this polyester into fleece, and the process is called napping. Each brush spins at a different speed, and it is calculated to break it into loops without breaking the fabric. The nap side is now fuzzy and fleecy. It now brushes the smooth side. It pulls the fiber out to the fleecy side to even it out. The fleece blanket is now 5 times thicker. The end product is a soft, warm, and wearable clothing line, ranging from hats to scarves to gloves to pop bottle blankets, and anything that can be made out of polar fleece. This is an example of how to reuse recyclable materials and make something new. My blanket was made out of polar fleece material, which is made out of plastic water bottles. A fleece blanket, here you go. It's very nice and warm.